Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm out here again in the yard. My daughter bought me a Santa Rosa plum tree, so I want to go ahead and get this planted. We got it from the Home Depot, and let's see here, Santa Rosa plum. Its hardiness down to negative 20 degrees, 10 to 15 feet, I guess, tall. So we got it for, what was it, $33.98. And it already has blooms on it, so I don't know if we're going to get any plums on this year or not. But let's go ahead and get this planted. Alright, so this is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to go ahead and do my little outline around here. And as you guys can see, we have this orange, reddish clay type soil, which I can't stand. But yeah, we're going to get this planted right here. Alright, so here's the hole. It's pretty deep down in there. Now I'm going to get ready and go ahead and amend my soil. I have some compost here and the native soil. I am going to be using these amendments here. Organic plant food, all purpose. We're going to use some Epsom salt, bone meal, and blood meal. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it on up in here, and we'll get the planting. Alright, so we have got the soil amended, and now we're going to go ahead and put a little of it in the hole down here if I don't spill it all. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put this tree in there. Woo. See if we can get it out. Break the roots up some. Think she look good right there. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to put a little more of this plant food down in here. And we're just going to go ahead and backfill the rest of it. Alright, so now I am giving it some fertilizer, fish fertilizer. And this is about it, y'all. I'll come back later on and put some mulch around here. And that'll be it. So thank you all for watching and your support. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.